All right, a little bit different video here. Some kitchen home renovation. Went to Home Depot, got this bathroom cabinet. It's like 5 foot long for about 200 bucks. They make them in two different versions, one in oak and one in not oak. This is the one that's not oak. I liked this one because the cabinet doors went all the way to the top. It looked less like a vanity that you would have in a bathroom. And went ahead and picked these up. They're just trim panels to cover up that, whatever that stuff is, fiber board. We're going to paint it to bring an accent color from what we call the piano room, add some dividers, a pull-out garbage can thingy, and put our coffee machine and ice machine on here, and give us more storage and brighten up the kitchen a little bit. So here we go.
Hey, they can't all be 12-foot transformers. See you next time, everybody.